studying in senior KG. Today debate topic is orange is a secondly color. Mixed with the mellow we get orange. Orange is a symbol of creativity and adventure.